Welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to learn about addition and subtraction of integers. Let's get started. Now, let's have the rules in addition of integers. So integers, these are the negative numbers, the positive numbers, and 0. So what will you do if you're adding positive plus positive? So just copy the common sign, that's positive, and then add the numbers or the absolute values. Let's have an example. Positive 3 plus 7. Understood, the sign of 7 is positive if there is no plus sign there. So simply add 3 plus 7, that is 10. And copy their common sign, which is positive. Negative plus negative, the answer sign is negative. So let's have an example. 6 plus negative 7. Just add first 6 and 7. That is 13. Then copy their common sign, negative. What about if you are adding negative plus positive? Copy the sign of the larger number, then subtract their absolute values. So let's have an example. Negative 10 plus 3. So one is negative, the other one is positive. So subtract 10 minus 3. And that is 10 minus 3, that is 7. And then copy the sign of the larger number, which is negative. So negative 7. Next, same thing here. Positive plus negative. Again, copy the sign of the larger number and subtract. So it's just like positive 15 plus negative 8. So this one, subtract first the smaller from the bigger. So 15 minus 8. Okay, the signs are not the same. So 15 minus 8, that is 7. And what is the sign of the larger number, bigger number? Positive. Therefore, the sign of the answer is positive. Subtracting integers. So here's the rule. Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition of integers. So you should memorize, or you should master first the addition of integers. So here, positive minus positive. So what are you going to do here is, this is the subtrahend. Here, the second number, subtrahend. That is this is the minuend. Okay, so this is the concern. It says that change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. Okay, so here first, we are going to rewrite. So what are you going to do is just copy the first here, and then change the sign of the subtrahend. If it's positive here, it becomes negative here. And then this operation becomes addition here. Proceed to addition. So now follow the rules in adding integers. So if you are adding now positive plus negative, you need to subtract their absolute value and copy the sign of the larger number. Okay? So that's the only rule there. Change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So here, plus or positive minus negative. So change the sign of the subtrahend, negative here, becomes positive here. Then proceed to addition. Change this to addition. So always copy this one first. Oh, now you are adding positive plus positive. So just add their absolute value and copy their common sign. Okay, let's have an example for that. Now, subtraction of integers, let's have an example. So here first we write, just copy 12. And then change the sign of the subtrahend. So positive 7, it becomes negative 7 here. and then proceed to addition. So this subtraction or minus becomes addition now. So now we have 12 plus negative 7. In addition, if the signs are not the same, subtract 12 minus 7. That is 5. Then copy the sign of the larger number, which is 12. Therefore, this is positive. Next, negative 5 minus negative 9. So change the sign. It becomes positive 9. And then proceed to addition. This one becomes addition. So this is now negative 5 plus 9. So again, the signs are not the same. Negative, one is negative, other one is positive, so subtract. 9 minus 5, that is 4. And copy the sign of 9 because 9 is larger than 5. So positive 4. Next, negative 6 minus positive 10. So again, change the sign. This negative 10, how now here? And now, what are we going to do? Negative 6 plus negative 10, that is negative 16. Just add the number and copy their common sign. Now we have here positive 8 minus negative 3. So this negative 3 becomes positive 3. And now you're adding like sign now here, 8 positive, 3 is positive, and that is equal to 11 positive. Okay, now I want you to perform the indicated operations here. You can pause the video if you want to try it first. Okay, so we have here positive 11 plus positive 7. Same sign. What are you going to do? The answer is 18. So simply add 11 plus 7, that is 18, and copy their common sign. Next, we have negative 25 plus negative 5. So again, the operation is addition. So now you are adding same sign, which means just add 25 plus 5, that's 30, and then copy their common sign, which is negative. Next, negative 13 minus positive 6. So what are you going to do now? Since this is minus, change the sign of the subtrahend. So this one, that becomes negative. And proceed to addition. So this one is no longer subtraction, that is addition. So you're adding now negative 13 plus negative 6. So that is negative 19. Just add the absolute value 13 plus 6, 19, then copy their common sign, which is negative. Next, positive 16 plus negative 11. So this is addition. So simply 16 minus 11 and copy the sign of 16. So 16 minus 11 is 5 and that is positive. Next, negative 4 minus negative 9. So again here, the operation is subtraction. So change the sign. It becomes plus, and this one also the minus sign becomes addition. So we have now negative 4 plus positive 9. So they are not the same sign. So subtract 9 minus 4, that is 5. Then follow the sign of 9, which is positive because 9 is larger than 4. Next, negative 12 minus positive 9. So again, this is minus. So change the sign. Here, it becomes negative. And this one, proceed to addition. So we have now negative 12 plus negative 9. So just add the numbers 12 plus 9, or the absolute values, 12 plus 9, and copy their common sign. So that is negative 21. Okay, last two. we have here positive 7 plus negative 11. So this is just addition, which means adding numbers or unlike sign, they are not of the same sign. So subtract 11 minus 6, that is 5. And copy the sign of 11 because 11 is larger. So that is negative 5. And then we have here 7 minus 7. Okay, so if you are going to change the sign, this is addition, so this positive, it becomes negative. If there is no sign, understood is positive. Then proceed to addition. So 7 plus negative 7, that is equal to 0. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.